Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I have a very fun plant-based recipe for you guys. So I don't know if you remember, but from SpongeBob SquarePants, they loved the Krabby Patties. So today we're gonna be making the Krabby Patty. But the secret formula is that the patty is plant-based. And I'm gonna show you how to do that. Here's the recipe. As you saw, the patties are cooking on the stove top right now. Usually I'd cook them on the barbecue, but it's raining outside, so I decided to put them on the stove. But while that is cooking, you wanna make sure you have all of your Krabby Patty ingredients, your white onion, your plant-based cheese, your lettuce, your tomato, and usually pickles, but I don't have them. And then a bun, and a panty, of course, and there you go. That's your Krabby Patty.